In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wrike calendar in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through everything you need to know to effectively manage your projects and schedules using this powerful tool. First things first, let's start by launching your preferred web browser. Once you're there, just type Wrike into your search bar. This will take you to the official Wrike website. If you already have an account, you can click on Log In. If you're new to Wrike, you'll want to select Try Wrike for free to create an account and start exploring the platform's features. Once you've logged in, you'll need to navigate to the specific project or folder where you'd like your calendar to appear. This is an important step because it ensures that your calendar is well organized and linked to the right tasks or projects. Next, to create a new calendar layer, look for the option called Plus New Calendar within the platform. You'll often find it by expanding the left calendar panel. This is where you can start organizing your tasks visually. If you're not seeing it immediately, check for an icon that represents adding or innovating a new calendar to guide you through the process. Now, if you ever need to edit a layer, it's straightforward. Hover your cursor over the layer's name on the left-hand panel until you see a three-dot menu icon appear. Click it, and from there, you can make adjustments to your layer as needed. Editing your layers allows you to fine-tune the details according to your specific project requirements. Wrike also provides filtering options, which are incredibly useful for zeroing in on particular tasks or projects. You can set filters to show specific tasks within a layer, including subtasks, and organize them by start or due dates. This is especially handy when you're looking to focus on specific project timelines or when organizing tasks according to deadlines. For visual flexibility, you'll want to know how to change the time frame on your calendar. You can easily switch between viewing your calendar by week, by month, or by year. This flexibility is perfect for gaining a better understanding of what your workload looks like over different periods. One of the features users adore is the ability to drag and drop layers. This function allows you to rearrange them within the same calendar or even move them to a different calendar altogether, making it easy to share plans and tasks with others, whether they're in your team or working on a different aspect of the project. And there you have it, a concise guide to getting started with using Wrike Calendar like a pro. Utilize these features to help streamline your project management processes, making sure you stay organized and efficient every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you to make the most out of your Wrike experience.